Take a look back at the last 5 years. See how much has changed. A short time in history, but one that has caused severe disruptions. Disruptions that have impacted consumer buying behavior, lifestyles, ways of work, entertainment, these disruptions have created a new wave of consumer segments and brand new market opportunities. We are here to witness a new movement. A movement that will seize these new opportunities in the market and solidify our connection with the new consumers. A movement that will ensure Elephant House brand remains closer to Sri Lankans all over the world. A movement that takes the Elephant House brand to a new era. Let us start this journey. This movement towards the new era.